as in short, very clean, you know, I don't want to see any dirt to their nails. Kasi nakaka-turn off, guys, when you see a guy with long nails. Yuck. Taking notes. Ikaw, di ba? Kasi di ba ikaw tawag dito, Rex? Even you guys, what do you prepare for your nails? Actually, it's actually very rare to see a person, especially for a guy, that he has a long nails. You know, right? So, every person, every guy that at least guys, you have to be very clean to yourself, and especially your fingers at least, your nails at least short, clean. That's the one thing I always look for a guy. Clean here, even the feet here, at least clean the nails, short nails. Kasi when you see a person with just long nails, guys, and then even the feet, seems like very guys what do you call this, lazy person, or they don't care about themselves. Hi, Boutique, hello. Di ba, guys, how about you, Chris? Did you cut your nails very nicely? Kasi for the guys, it's really nice. I think it is fine if you are healthy. It's shot po. Ah, yeah, very good. Yeah, it's quite, actually, it's really good when you just like, even your, kasi guys, a lot of girls, they really want to see a guy with very clean hair and then especially teeth. I don't care. I don't care if they have some, like for example, what do you call this? Pheromone. Yung natural smell for a person. Yeah, very, very nice. What about down there? Is it short? You have to clean to yours. I work so no nails. You have to be very clean to yourself, guys. At least it's easy for you guys to attract women. Hi, Chuck, baby Chuck, how are you? Kasi guys, both parties, like for example, even the guy, they have some fetish they have fetish to for women, right? Good night, Big C. Di ba guys, they